How to get started with affiliate marketing for bloggers. Writing a blog can be much more than just a passion project. In fact, it can provide you with an income. It is up to you whether this income is your main income or an additional income. How is that possible? The answer is affiliate marketing. In this video, I will tell you how you can make 6 figures income through blogging with the help of affiliate marketing. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Watch the complete video and don't judge the book by its cover. So without wasting further time, let's get started. How to get started with affiliate marketing for bloggers. If you want to make money from blogging through affiliate marketing, you will have to follow these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the product. It is very important that you choose a product that you like, and that is related to an industry you want to write about. Once you've decided on a product, check to see if each company you prefer has affiliate marketing programs. 3 ways to pick out the best products to be an affiliate for. Many newbies don't know how to choose products to sell. You need to know that, how to choose the products to promote. Because if you don't find the right product to bake with, you won't make a big profit from it. The following 3 considerations will put you on the right path to choosing the best products for your affiliate marketing. Make a list. Before you decide on a product, you should first make a list of all the products you are interested in marketing. Depending on the niche you chose, you could end up with a long list. Next, you need to narrow down your list by eliminating the products that don't bring you a good commission. You can find this by searching the internet for affiliate programs for each product on your list. Investigate the market niche. The second factor you need to consider before choosing any product is the market niche for that product. For example, exercise equipment would fall into the fitness niche. An anti-aging cream for women would fall into the beauty niche. Analyze market demand. The third factor you need to consider is the market demand for a product. As a general rule, you are more likely to earn higher commissions from affiliate sales when you select products that solve a consumer problem. For example, obesity is a huge problem in many countries around the world, so you can expect weight loss products of all kinds, from dietary supplements to exercise equipment, to be in high demand. It takes a lot of hard work and persistence in affiliate marketing. But these 3 considerations should set you on the right path to running your own successful business. Step 2. Set up as an affiliate. With your product selected, it's time to set up as an affiliate. In this step, take some time to read all the information provided by the affiliate program. You should note the following: payment amounts, payment schedule, legal obligations and restrictions. Individual programs require you to follow different steps to get started. Be sure to follow them carefully. This can be a lengthy process, depending on who you are doing business with. Rest assured, affiliate programs need your help to sell their products. Even if it takes some time, they make the setup process worthwhile in the end. The commission you earn per sale depends on the program and the product. The more value the product has, the higher the commission. Step 3. Promote the product. Now that everything is set up, it's time to turn your blog into an ATM. The affiliate program assigns you a URL to link to their product. You should make sure to use the link strategically to maximize click-through rate. Thirsty Affiliates plugin is a great place to start. It allows you to hide long and unattractive affiliate links, protect your commissions from being stolen, and easily auto-insert affiliate links into blog posts. Speaking of blog posts, long-form content is one of the best ways to promote products. Things like product reviews allow you to delve deeper into a product and provide opportunities to place your affiliate link. Step 4. Get paid, repeat. The more listings you create on your website, the better your chances of selling. As long as you comply with the legal obligations of the platform, you will enjoy regular payments. Keep an eye out for new products to promote to keep a steady stream of income. If you decide to venture into new territory, it's best to start a new blog. This will help you assert your position as an authority on a topic and prevent your blog from looking like an affiliate market. final thoughts. It is possible to promote affiliate products using different methods. But blogging is one of the best and easiest ways to earn passive income. Just repeat these 4 steps and you will keep making money. So, that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next video.